Now we continue from the last part of the video. We copy the content here, and then we put in Matches page. All right, we'll save, and then we'll create another page for Matt. So basically apply, modify, we go modify, and we go to template, apply the family template again. And we delete the content, and then we put Matt name here. And then we can put a content in Matt. So for Matt, I want the name to be heading 3. Okay, then I save this. Sorry, save as. Matt. Okay. So here, Michi, I want the format to be heading 3 for the name. Save. Okay, and I think I missed a picture here. Matt's picture. So I'm going to drag this over and to save. I also need to open my and I'm going to put my name here. Okay, I'm going to put this heading to be heading 3. So save it again. Alright, so now we have 1, 2, 3 files already built. So what we need to do right now is we need to make them all link together. So we're not linking them together because they're not linked. So where are we going to go to link them up? We're going to go to the template because we cannot access the area of the navigation area. So what we do is we're going to highlight this, and we can point link, or we can click on the folder here and link it up. You can point link to the file, my file. Okay. The second one is Matthews. And then either point link, or we can click on here map.html or Meiji. We can click, drag, make sure that's HTML file. So now we save this. So when we save the template, it will ask us to update all the pages created based on the template. So we create 3 files, and that's why that's for all 3 files. Yes, I want to update, so close. So what happened is, if you close this and you click on one of them, you will see all the links there. All right. So you click F12, or it goes to let's see, view. see, because I'm in the Mac, so I'm going to minimize the Dreamweaver. Then we're going to go to this page and click on this. This is my page, and then click on Matt and Meiji. So everybody link together, right? So everybody link together. So this is what I wanted to do for this week for for family website. So the last thing you need to do is upload this to the server. Before that, I want to link this page to the landing page. I want to link the family page to the landing page. So I'm going to link, let's see, it's index here, right? Index here. So level 1, and let's say family page. So I'm going to highlight this, and I can point link to the page, and then save. So this file will save with a new link. So when we upload to the server, you just need to double click on here and upload our files. Oops. I guess I don't remember my password. So, it's not working. Here we go. I gather this page. So let's look. What we had before is INFM.master.edu. Click on here and summer. So that was the last time. And then there is no link or anything. And so what we need to do is find our landing page and then go to our desktop to find our 312. So we have all of this modified. We may don't need this image, but we do need to update the index page. So now upload that to the server. When we override all, then we refresh this here, then we can see if our family site is here. You see that? Alright, so we have a consistent title up there, and we have a navigation menu here, and each page we have same layout. And next week, we're going to put in some cascading style sheet in it. So this is all for a demonstration of creating a multi-page family website. And what else you need to do on this landing page is you want to create another link here underneath here. Okay, for lab 2 dash, you want to say practice the example in the book chapter 1 to 6. So you may not be able to finish all of them this week, but try to finish whatever you can for the exercise part, and to put a link here. Just create a page and practice all the borders, paddings, all kinds of things, the talked to manipulate the display of the image and division sessions right here. All right. That's all for demonstration of the multi-page family site. We're going to continue with this project next week.